Okay, so next what I've done is under each chord, I have just spelled it out using what we just did in the previous slide to basically identify each chord in root position. So A flat chord here, a 5 chord, this is an E flat chord, and so on. So these are all diatonic chords apart from chord 4 here. So let's just address this quickly. Again, I'm sure you've spent plenty of time on these, but how do we figure out what this chord is exactly? So we look at our target chord, which is the 4 chord, which we can see over here. And this is our target temporary key. So we kind of have to imagine we're going temporarily to the key of, in this case, D flat major. So if we're in A flat major and we need to find out what the chord 4 is, we can obviously just count up. So A flat, B flat, C, D flat. So that's the 4 chord in the key of A flat major. And then we have to consider in the key of D flat major, what are the different pitches? In D flat major, if we think of our key signature there, it has 5 flats. It includes an additional flat, G flat major. So you can use that again here. So thinking about D flat major is our target temporary kind of tonic here, temporary home key. What is the 5 chord of D flat major? And again, we can count up D flat, E flat, F, G flat, and then A flat. So that's scale degree 5 here. And you'll see here, that's exactly what I've mapped out. So A flat, C, E flat, and then drawing from the key of D flat, we have included our chordal 7th here, which is our G flat major. So I hope that makes sense. You can use that same technique when you're trying to figure out how to spell any chromatic chord. Figure out your target kind of temporary tonic and kind of work backwards.